Hey friends, Sheree here. Welcome back to the channel, Sheree's Alchemy Shop TV. I just want to share with you all some things that are going to be on sale. I'm doing a spring sale. It's going to last over the course of 2 weeks. There'll be some rolling sales. I'm kicking off the sale with quilt kits being 15% off, along with a bunch of other fabric. But a couple of the quilt kits are new, so I haven't featured them here on the channel, so I just want to show you. We have the Mariposa quilt kit. This is a stunner. It features the Floral Fiestas fabric collection by Mia Charo, and the kit includes everything you need to complete the quilt top, along with the binding. You'll have to get your own quilt batting as well as your quilt backing. But this is a really beautiful quilt. It finishes 67 inches by 62 inches. It's designed by Robin Ruth Designs. She also has a sew along for it that you can get access to, and the information about that is included with the pattern. And so you can see here, you're going to need to get your own quilt batting and of course your thread, as well as your quilt back fabric, which I have lots of wide width fabrics in the shop. The sale's kicking off with quilt kits, as well as, like I said, a bunch of different fabric. And you'll see the sales like right when you go to the Etsy shop. Whatever's on sale will already be indicated. There's no code to put in. The sales will be reflected directly in your shop. I'm going to show you a couple more quilt kits that are included, that are still in stock, and then I'll share a couple of the other things that are going to roll into the sale next. So we have a few more of these Mad Hatter's Tea Party quilt kits. This is Tula Pink's pattern featuring Curiouser and Curiouser collection, along with some true colors and solids, and it is a darling quilt kit. I'm thinking about buying one of these for the shop to do a sew along, because I just think doing that piecing work could be a lot of fun. So you have teacups throughout the center, and then you have hats around the border. Really quirky and fun. And then look at all these different fabrics you get here. So it's a lot of prints included, and then a lot of solids. And you can see here, pretty big quilt book pattern, step-by-step directions. And then a new addition to the sale is this, to the shop even, is the Kensington Kaleidoscope quilt kit. This also includes the Kaleidoscope quilt pattern and an array of gorgeous William Morris prints to create this beauty. So that's included in the sale, even though it's new to the shop. And then of course we still have some other quilt kits. So you'll see, you can search for quilt kits. You can do the drop down and look at the quilt kit drop down to see all the quilt kits that are included. And then the second week of the sale, I'm going to start listing these on Monday or Tuesday as a part of the sale. We're going to have books on sale. So we have some awesome books that are going to be on sale, including this Lotta Jansdottir Everyday Style. This has a lot of projects for you to sew. And then the Tula and Angela Quilt book, which again just has a lot of really amazing quilting patterns in here for you. Maybe we'll do a separate video where we do a look through to see, just so I can show you all the things that are included. But I just wanted to show you that so you can get your carts ready. You can load those in there. When they go on sale, they should be reflected. And during that second week of the sale, we're also going to have a lot of different fat quarter bundles and pre-cuts on sale as well. And then I do have some new fat quarters and pre-cuts that will be added to the sale. These haven't been listed yet, but I'll get those listed and they'll go right on sale, including this gorgeous collection from William Morris. Really beautiful combination. And then I have a few more of these Tula Pink. This is her 50th anniversary bundle featuring full Moon Forest 2 plus some tonals. And so that's a big bundle, and we'll have that, at least one of those we will list so it can be a part of the sale. I also have some beautiful quilt panels that need to get listed and will be put right on as a part of the sale. This will be towards the end of next week probably, including this one here. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. This is the Calendar Girls quilt panel, and I have a few coordinates as well. So they will definitely be on the sale. Let me open this up a little bit so you can see the panel. So here's a quick peek at the Calendar Girls. So fun. So I think I might do a separate video on this quilt panel. It's really cute. And then the final thing I'll be adding to the shop, these won't be a part of the 15% off sale because they already will be discounted. But I have a lot of remnant and end of the bolt pieces that I will be listing. And so, you know, if you're just interested in adding some, you know, nice pieces to your collection at a discounted price, you don't really have a project in mind, you just want to have some pretty things to pull from, there'll be a lot of those. I have a lot of new ones, and I'll be relisting some that have already sold out because I need some space here for some new inventory that's coming in. So we will release these little bits so they can get on to you all and be used in projects. The final thing I'll share today, again, this will be added, and I will probably go ahead and put a limited quantity of this as a part of the sale for you all. I restocked one more time this flannel quilt board fabric. So you can use this fabric to create your own design board. It already has the squares and a grid, and just pin it up to your wall, or you can, you know, stretch it over a frame. But I was able to restock this, and yeah, I'll share some more of that as well. So this design board fabric, it's 100% cotton flannel, so your fabric pieces will stick to it. It's 44 inches wide, so if you need, you know, to do like queen size quilts, king size quilts, and you want a design board that big, you just get the extra yardage so you can double it for the width. It has a little bit of extra seam on the sides, so you can overlap it or just overlap the squares to keep, you know, that symmetry going. But this is a really awesome, easy way to put yourself together a quilt design board. So I will definitely release some yardage of this new bolt as a part of the sale for anyone who might want to pick that up. All right, friends, so I have a lot of work to do. I'll see y'all back here on the channel again very soon. Take good care. Bye.